Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Kraken app. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, you need to deposit some money on your account. So how you can do that? So just make sure you have some money in your Kraken account to buy crypto. Then you can tap on this buy crypto here. So after tapping on buy crypto, you can see there are a lot of cryptos now. Now you can select this Bitcoin here, the first option here, and then you have to enter the amount for how much amount you want to buy the crypto. Let's say I'm going for here $250, and then you can tap on this arrow icon. You have to check this box here, and then you can see it will you have to enter your payment here, and then after that you can tap on this confirm. After confirming, your order will be placed and you have successfully bought the crypto Bitcoin on Kraken app. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.